So today I'm so excited because I am going to show you all my everyday makeup routine. I just love to watch people make up their makeup routines or everyday makeup routines. So much fun to watch. And so I'll let you all see what makeup I wear. If you want to stick around and see how I got this makeup look, keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I do before I do my makeup, I pull my bangs back, and I'm going to use this bobby pin, and I just pin my hair back. Okay. And now I take off my glasses. You see me looking over this way, I have a mirror sitting right there. And the first thing I'm going to start with is primer. And I think it's important to use primer so you can just make your makeup, just stay on and have a base to it. I think it's very important. I do like bases and moisturizer as well too. So the primer I'm using is the YSL Touche Éclair Blur Primer. And of course I just love it because of the gold sparkles as well. It's nice. Okay, so taking the YSL primer, I am going to pump like 2 pumps. And I like to just take that primer and dot it all over my face. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'll just rub it in all over my face. My neck. Okay, so next I'm taking my foundation brush and I am using my Real Technique buffing brush, and I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and this is in the number 370. Shake the foundation. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dab this all over my face and just blend in. And it's like one of my favorite brushes to use because it just buffs in your foundation so well. And this foundation, like I said, is one of my favorites because it just glides on your face so smoothly. It matches your skin tone, and Rihanna, she did an awesome job with her makeup line, and I'm proud of her. Go Rihanna, you did it. Okay, so the next thing is I'm using the YSL Touche Éclair Star Collector, and this is like a highlighter, but you also use it as concealer, and I use it as concealer, so here we go. This is so cute. And I'm just gonna put it all, I'm gonna put like in a triangle shape right under my eyes. I'm going to put some right here too, under my eyes. And then I'm going to also just dab some on the areas I want to cover up and conceal. This smells so good as well. Okay, I'm using my Xoxo Scents, and this is their concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend in all under my eyes and all over my little, any acne, I just blend in. So after I put on my concealer, I am going to do my brows. I like to take this spoolie brush and just brush my eyebrows. Just brush over them. First, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Okay, and this is also in the shade dark brown. So let's see. Okay, I did my brows, and also I'm gonna put on my brows, like to condition it and lay my brows down. I'm using the Benefit Brow Conditioner, Brow Val Conditioning. And it conditions it and it feels so good on my brows. Now I'm going to put on my blush. I am using the MAC Arches collection, and this collection came out back in like 2013, and this is the Veronica part of the collection, and this is in the shade Prom Princess, and it is so pretty. This is what the packaging looks like, and how cute. And if you might have seen this blush in some of my previous tutorials or favorites videos, you might have seen it, and probably my tutorials, and it's always been like my go-to blush, and I love this blush so much. So I am going to take some, dab it in here, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheekbones. Okay, so next I am going to highlight my face, and I'm using one of my faves, and this is the Becca Champagne Pop. And of course, so many people talk about this highlighter, but it's also because it's so amazing, so pretty. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, and this is the contour brush. I'm going to use it for my highlighter though. So I'm taking a brush right here, and I'm going to dab it, and I'm just going to highlight my face. Just want to swipe. It's so pretty. Oh, okay. Yes. It's beautiful. I want to just highlight my nose. Okay. I'm just going to highlight this area up here. Next, I am taking some bronzer, and I am using the MAC Aaliyah bronzer. And if you also want to check out that video I did like months ago, I will leave it in the description box, because it's Aaliyah's makeup and for MAC, and it's awesome. And this is in the shade Baby Girl. And this is what it looks like. So gorgeous. It's so pretty. And I am going to use this Coastal Scents brush and just put it on this brush and put this up, and I'm just going to bronze my face. Next, I am gonna put my eyeshadow on, so I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm just gonna rub it on my eyes. And I'm just going to blend this primer out. Make it sure it blends in well. Okay, so I got my primer on right now. I am going to start with the eyeshadow. I am using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It is the Too Faced Sugar Cookie palette. And how adorable, how cute is this palette? Okay, I am opening the palette. Oops. Open up the palette, and this is what it looks like. How beautiful are these shades? Like, so gorgeous. Using my eyeshadow brush. This is the Too Faced All Over Eyeshadow brush, and yeah. So I'm going to take the shade Tough Cookie, and it's this shade right here. I'm just gonna dab that color all over my lids. And also, I just want to say that this is like my everyday kind of eyeshadow I probably would use because I base it on the color clothes I'm wearing. So now I'm also going to take a blending brush. I'm going to use this color, Half Baked. And I'm just going to blend it in with my eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take my eyeshadow and press it on the brow bone, Butter Love. And that's really cute. So I'm just taking this Coastal Scents brush, and I am just going to put it right here. I'm just going to place it, let's see, right there over my brow bone. Place it right under my brow bone. I'm going to take the silver color and I'm just going to put it in my inner corner. Okay. This eyeshadow palette. Awesome. Now I am going to curl my eyelashes. Dior Base Mascara Lash Primer. And I'm just going to put this on my lashes. Okay. I'm going to take the Dior Show Iconic Over Curl. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender, I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to bake my face. So I'm about to wet this right now. Alright, so I got my powder. I already wetted my beauty blender. Let's see. Taking this. I'm just gonna put some powder on here. And I'm gonna place it under here. just let it bake for a few minutes. So while I let my face bake, I'm gonna just let it sit. When I say bake, I'm just gonna let it sit there while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. I forgot, I gotta do my eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Too Faced eyeliner and the Perfect Eyes waterproof eyeliner. Almost said mascara. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my eyes. Okay, I had to look more into the mirror to outline my eyes. So, yeah, I got that done. I'm going to line my lips, and I am using the MAC lip liner in Bittersweet. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Alright, so now I'm taking my Aaliyah lipstick, MAC Aaliyah lipstick in the shade Try Again. This is a nice, like, nude color. It's really pretty. Okay, so pretty. And then I'm taking my MAC Aaliyah, and this is in the shade Brooklyn Born. And what I like to do is I like to take this shade and I like to put it on the back of my hand. Take some more. And I just like to dot it all over my lips. Just take it and just put it in the center of my lips. I'm gonna blend in my powder, my Laura Mercier powder right now, because it's finished baking. To finish off my makeup, I am going to use my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. And this is the rose water. It's with aloe, herbs, and rose water. And it's so good. It's just freshen up your face and just make your makeup stay on really long. Oh, it definitely refreshes your face. And I just enjoy just like putting on makeup, and it's always so much fun. So this is my finished makeup, and it looks so pretty. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy my makeup, and I had so much fun doing this tutorial, like so much fun. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because you can also, whenever you hit that notification bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload any videos. So just definitely hit that notification bell. And I will see you all in my next video. Alright, bye.